How to connect a projector to Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can connect a projector to your Android phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First option is to use a USB-C to HDMI cable, which is a wired method. But for that, your Android phone must support video output via USB-C, and this feature is called DisplayPort Alt Mode. So if your device supports that, then all you have to do is plug a USB-C to HDMI adapter in your phone. Then connect the HDMI end to the projector. Switch the projector to the correct HDMI input. Now your phone screen should now mirror into the projector. But not most of the Android phones supports the video output. Some of the models usually do. The second method is to go wireless using the Cast or Wi-Fi Miracast or Chromecast feature. If you want to cast via the Chromecast, then you have to plug a Chromecast into your projector's HDMI port. Then you have to connect your phone and Chromecast to the same Wi-Fi. So make sure that you're connected under your same Wi-Fi. Now on your phone, you have to open up the video or the content that you want to show. Then tap on the cast icon and select your Chromecast device. But if you want to go with the Miracast or wireless display, make sure that your projector supports Miracast. After that, enable it in your projector settings. Now, once you're done with that on your Android device, you have to head over to settings. Under settings, head over to connected devices. Under this, here you will have an option as cast or smart view. Under that, select your projector when appears. So in this way, you can connect a projector to your Android device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.